Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a new ASP.NET Web App using .NET 8. I'm in Visual Studio 2022, creating a new project. So by default, I'm selecting C Sharp as the language, and on the type, I'm selecting web. You could see a lot of web app templates that is available. So we are going to create an template using ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller. I'm naming this app as my first web app. And here you can select the framework that is available 3.16 or 8. I'm selecting the latest 8 here and clicking on create. Yes, the web app has been created and you can see in the Solution Explorer that it is created with the model view controller. By default, it will have the home controller created with the index and privacy page. And you can see in the home, in the views folder, you can see index and privacy views also created. Let's run and see the app, how it looks. Here you go, the app is now running and you could see the web app is hosted and you can see the home page and you can have the privacy page. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.